Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at designing timers and varying the clock frequency on the MSP430 microcontroller using requisite commands. So, the summary is going to be, the main objective is going to be as follows. We're going to be using two buttons, 2.3 and 2.7 on the MSP430 microcontroller. This is button 1 and button 2. So, using button 1, we are going to first see what frequency we need to set. Let's say I press the button twice, so I need a frequency of 2 megahertz. And if I press the button thrice, I'll need a frequency of 3 megahertz. And we are going to do it for 1, 2, and 3 megahertz. And as far as the second button, button 2 goes, what is going to happen once you press it is that the timer frequency is changed, the clock frequency is changed as such. And we are going to display an LED just for confirmation. That is, we are going to blink an LED that X number of times for confirmation. The basic program goes like this. We are going to enable interrupts for each of these two buttons, and we are going to enable interrupt for the clock registers. And once we are done with that, inside the interrupt service routine, we are going to have the particular service routines for each of the buttons. For button one, it's just to increment a counter variable, whereas for button two, we have we're going to use a switch case statement where we find how many times the button one has been pressed, and based on that, we have set the frequencies. Generally, the clock frequency is by default it has something around 1.1 megahertz. So we can roughly assume it to be 1 megahertz in this particular case. This is boilerplate code where we set the mode to out mode 7, and yeah, so that should do it. And this is the code where we blink the LED that X number of times. So if it's 2, we are going to toggle the LED twice so that it blinks twice. So that is going to be it, and that will show us confirmation that the frequency has been set. Now let's just build this program and check whether it works as it is intended to on the MSP430 microcontroller.
Hello everyone. We're going to continue with our demo using the frequencies. This there are two buttons, 2.3, 2.3 and 2.7. So we're going to use these two buttons. The first button that I showed is going to be used to indicate the frequency that we need. If we press this button thrice, it means we need a frequency of 3 megahertz. And while when we press P2.7, it's going to set it to that frequency, and it's going to blink this particular LED 1. So let's say if 3 megahertz has been set, LED 1 is going to blink thrice, and LED 2 will just be a static display. uh, let's say it's going to blink at a rate of 3 megahertz. It won't be visible to the human eye. I'll just demonstrate that it might not be clear in the first go. So now I'm going to press this button thrice, P2.3. Okay, I've pressed the button thrice, and now that I press 2.7, so as you can see, LED 1 blinked once, twice, and now it blinked thrice. So 3 megahertz frequency has been set, and LED 2, it might not be visible to the naked eye, but it's actually flickering at a rate of 3 megahertz. So we cannot exactly see it because it's not persistent to the human eye. A more accurate way to measure it would be to actually feed this output, the clock output, to the oscilloscope and check whether the square wave has that frequency. So that concludes this assignment on timers and timers and clocks. So yeah.